Hello students, this is the second part of our second semester's second poem. The world is too much with us, which is written by William Wordsworth. Now in this part we are going to learn the actual poem from its first line. Now listen carefully. The world is too much with us, late and soon. So in this world, in this nature, there is everything, and that is in a larger quantity for us, and that is just for us, for the humans. And that was not only today present in the world, in the nature, that was in the past also, and that will be in the future also, and that is now in the present also available in the nature for humans to live a good life. Getting and spending. Getting, it means earning money. Getting and spending will lay waste. Lay waste, it means completely destroy. So we are not taking care about this nature, because in this world there is everything for us, but we are just spending our whole energy, our whole power in earning money and spending those monies. Little we see in nature, that is ours. Just a little attention we pay, we give towards the nature. In that nature, that is for us. We do not pay our full attention towards the nature. We are just destroying the nature, and in this way we are destroying the future generation also. We have given our hearts away, a sordid boon. Sordid, it means dirty, very bad. Boon, it means a helpful or beneficial thing. We have given our hearts away, a sordid boon. So in this world there is the material things which are luxurious things, and people are spending their whole power to earn those material things, to collect those material things, and this is very dirty, very bad thing which we have gained by our faith, and that is a boon, which is a helpful and beneficial thing for us. In this today's world, everyone is trying to get those kind of material things which are very luxurious. This sea that bears. Bear, it means make clear, or another meaning is open. This sea that bears her bosom. Bosom, it means hard. Bosom to the moon. So there is the sea in this nature, and that nature, that in that nature there is the sea, and that sea always opens, make clear his heart for the moon. Why? Because there is the attraction, gravitational attraction of the moon, and therefore the water of the sea goes up and goes down level of sea water because of the gravity attraction of moon. The winds that will howling at all hours. Howl, it means sound at all our frequency continuously. So continuously in nature we can see the wind blows very fast, and therefore we can see the continuous sound of this wind in the air over the seawater, and are upgathered now like sleeping flowers. Now this is the time of night, and at that night there are few flowers which collect their petals at night, such as they are going to sleep that night. So in this way, this second part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all.